Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Workbook. Unit 2. In our last video, we have completed this poem about noses in textbook and workbook also. Now today we will start our work from page number 21. Question number 9. What would you like to become when you grow up? Draw or paste a picture of it. Write 10 sentences on it. Here a box is given to draw. Here you have to draw a picture or you can paste here what you want to do in your future. Everyone has a aim or ambition in their life. Some of you want to be doctor, some of you want to be teacher, some of you want to be a dancer, singer. So here what you want to do in your future and what would you like to become. So here you have to draw that picture. So after that you have to write according to your picture. So here I have written about doctor. You can write about teacher, scientist, singer, dancer, artist, whatever you like to become when you grow up. Okay, so let's read. When I grow up, I would like to become a doctor. A good doctor is respected everywhere. If I become a doctor, I shall earn money, but I must be very kind to the poor and needy people. I will not charge any fee from them, and I shall be helping the helpless. I want to help people around me. I want to serve them and take care of them. I want to do good for all of mankind. I want to become a doctor so I can help poor people that do not receive any medical care. I want to give medical care to helpless people. Here you can use your own word also. And you have to write about yourself. What would you like to become when you grow up? Okay. Now question number 10. Make sentences using the given words. So here 3 words given. We have to make sentences by helping these words. That means when you make any sentence, it should become this word. Shelter, funniest, shelter and harm. So I have make some words for funniest. First one is funniest. I have heard a funniest story. You have to make your own sentence. Shelter. So we took shelter under a tree. Harm. The flood did a lot of harm to the crops. So here I have used harm, shelter, funniest. So you have to make sentences using funniest, shelter and harm. Okay, now question number 11. Draw or paste a picture of a bird or an animal. Write a short poem on it. So here a box given. You have to draw your favorite bird or an animal that you like most. And according to that you have to make here a poem. So I have drawn here a peacock. And here I have written a poem. So let's read. Peacocks sweep the fairies' rooms. Peacock sweep the fairies' room. They use their folded tails for brooms. They use their folded tails for brooms. But fairy dust is brighter far than any mortal colors are. And all about their tails it clings. And all about their tails it clings in strange designs or rounds and rings. In strange designs of rounds and rings. And that is why they strut about. And that is why they strut about and proudly spread their feathers out. And proudly spread their feathers out. This poem is written by Rose Feilman. Okay, now question number 13. Make a list of things. First one, things that break easily. So here 5 blanks given. You have to write that thing's name that can break easily. So here I have written flower pot that can break easily, cup, phone screen, spectacles, mirror. And the second one, things that do not break easily. So here you have to make a list 5 things that can not break easily. So I have written book, table, plastic water bottle, stone and spoon. Here you can write many things also. You can write here bed, van, mat, tape, many things. Question number 14. Draw or paste pictures of any 3 things. Things that break easily. So here first we have to draw a picture that can break easily. So here I have made flower pot. I have here drawn some rough sketch. You have to make it properly, okay? And then cup. Cup also can break easily. And glasses. Now second one is things that do not break easily. So here I have drawn a book. We can't break it easily. And this one is spoon and log. So same as you have to complete it. And you can draw here your things that you have written in question number 13. Okay, thank you.